Welcome back to accountancy class. In the last class, I asked you to write journal entries for 16th problem. So now you tell me what are the journal entries?
Yes, sir. First one is cash account data to capital account.
What happens to these goods?
Purchases account data to capital account.
Cash account data, purchase account data to capital account. Okay. So
Yes.
versus against capital, how many rupees you are going to write? How many you have written?
2 lakh.
2 lakh rupees. Very good. Next one. Purchased goods from Harish. Now, what did you write?
Purchases account data to Harish account.
Very good. Next one. Sold goods for cash.
Cash account data to sales account.
Okay. Next one.
Furniture account data to cash account.
Very good. Next.
Harish account data to cash account.
Okay. Right. Very good. Next.
Sir, in this one, what are the sundry expenses, sir?
You need not mention. I told no in the
Yes.
Accountancy basic concepts or conventions. Very petty amounts, petty thing, just like a sharpener, eraser I have purchased. You are doing crores of rupees business. You need not mention them. Simply sundry expenses you will mention. Sundry expenses account data to cash account. That's all.
Yes. Okay.
Next one.
Cash account data to sales account.
Okay. Next.
Bank account data to deposit account.
No, not deposit account. That is cash account. Bank
Okay.
account data to cash account. Cash went out.
Yes, sir.
Next.
Drawing account data to cash account.
Drawings account data to cash account. Okay, next.
Cash account data, discount account data to Harish account.
Very good. Against discount, how many rupees you wrote?
300.
Very good. See, on 10th November, you can see he has purchased goods worth 15,000.
Yes, sir.
Means we have purchased goods worth 15,000. Now we paid 14,700. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Next one. See, actually cash paid to Harish on account. See, here mistake is there. This should not be like this. Okay, you have written, you leave it. This is not cash paid. Purchases from Harish, we have to mention. Otherwise, we need not pay 14,000, 15,000 to him actually. Is it correct or not? We have already paid him cash. Again, second time, why we will pay? Or there is a mistake in textbook. What you have to mention is originally this is purchases from Harish. It should be. Okay, you correct it. You correct it with pencil in textbook. You correct otherwise. Okay. Next one. Goods sold to Nitish. What is the amount? What is the journal entry?
Nitish account data to sales account.
Okay, next.
Cartage account data to cash account.
Okay, next.
Rent account data to cash account.
Okay.
Cash account data, discount account data to Nitish account.
Okay. Against Nitish, you will write 7,000. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Next, last one.
Salary account data to cash account.
Very good. Salary. So you are almost perfect in writing journal entries. Am I correct?
Yes.
You understood no, almost 99%?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now you see, this is the first entry that you are going to make in accountancy books. That is book of primary entry. That is why this is known as book of primary entry. Okay. First time, whenever a business transaction takes place, what you will do is you will record first time in a book of accounts. Okay. In a book of accounts. Okay. Now you see,
Okay, sir.
With the help of journal entry, what you are doing, you are recording transactions in chronological order. Chronological order means date wise. Serially, you are going to write date wise. See, after first date, 10th date, likewise it will come, but not after 10th first you will not write. Chronologically, serially you are going to write. Okay. With the help of journal
Okay.
entries, with the help of the book of journal, you ensure that all transactions are recorded. You are not cheated. Okay. So you can show them for outsiders, for the business purpose. All the stakeholders means stakeholder means who is interested in your account, in your business. So whoever requires those records, you can show. There will be a perfect record. Nobody can cheat you. Means, see, in a company, in a business organization, you will have sometimes you must have to employ other persons. If you do not maintain proper records, there is a chance that they will cheat you. But if you maintain
Yes, sir.
properly records, nobody can cheat you. That is the advantage of journals. Okay. But one drawback of journal entry is, journal book is, see, suppose you have recorded all the transactions, but can you tell the cash balance at the end of the month? We have recorded for the month of November, but can you tell how exactly how much cash balance is there with you? By looking at these transactions, can you tell? You cannot tell. So you have to post these journal entries into another book. That book is known as ledger. Okay, ledger consists of various accounts. See, each account describes in detail about that particular name that is given to it. Suppose, let us take, for example, account is a name is cash account. If you write all the transactions relating to cash, at the end, you can identify whether how much cash balance is there with you, whether it is sufficient to carry out your business operations or not. But if you maintain properly a ledger of purchases account, you maintain in a particular month, in a particular year, rather, how many rupees worth goods you have purchased, you can identify by looking into your account, into your
Yes.
purchases account. Suppose that is why, see, if you open a bank account, your parents open a bank account. See, that bank passbook, if you update it, at the end, the balance will be there. How much balance is there in the passbook, you can identify. If you do not balance it out, you do not know the net amount of the transactions that you made with the banker. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
Similarly, so after book of primary entry is over, you will enter all these transactions into book of secondary entry. That is the ledger. So before we directly solve this problem, just examine one example in this textbook. Okay, I am opening one example how ledger is prepared. You can see, and then we will try it for this problem. Okay, now you see this much big small one. Okay. Now posting from journal. Okay, now you see, you observe this example. This is in page number, what is this page number? 78.
Okay, sir.
Have you opened?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now you see, cash account data, just journal entries I am reading. See, cash account data to capital account. Then bank account data to cash account. Purchase account data to Gulmohar Fashions House. Office machines account data to bank account. Rent account data to bank account. Mohit Brothers account data to sales account. Okay. Again, how they are going to make it, you can see. See, cash
Sir?
account data. Yes, please.
Sir, what is the total CF, total BF, sir?
CF means carry forward. BF means brought forward. See, in this page, the page is not sufficient. So they brought this balance to next page. This is brought forward from previous page. This is carried forward to next page. See, These balances
Okay.
3,45,000, 3,45,000. Here the problem is incomplete. So they are carrying forward this amount to the next page. See, if you
Okay,
open
sir.
with this page, directly this amounts, how these amounts came, you cannot understand directly. So here, if you see, means this is brought forward. Means these the earlier transactions are recorded in another page. It means. Did you understand?
Oh. Yes, sir.
Okay, now you can see. In pages, you will write no PTO, continued like that. The
Yes,
here
sir,
also like.
yes. Okay, sir.
Okay, cash account data to sales account. Gulmohar fashion house account. See, like this, all transactions are given. Now you observe, see, with each account, whatever you have written, you are going to open an account. So this is the ledger book. Okay, now you see the pro forma, you see, compulsory for every account. Left side DR you should write. Right side CR you should write. Means debit side, this is credit side. Left side is known as debit side. Right side is known as credit side. Okay, every account will be in T form. See, this is also in T form. You see exactly T. In the middle, this is left side transactions, right side transactions. Are you following?
Yes, sir.
See, this is, it will start with the date, particulars, JF number. This is J means, what is J? J stands for journal. Journal book, ledger book. Okay, now you see in journal entries, you mentioned LF number. No? See here,
Yes,
LF.
sir, yes.
Okay, see here, you are going to mention JF number. Okay, now next, after that one, amount. So left side, these 4 columns, right side also 4 columns. Same will be repeated. Date, particulars, JF, amount number. Means JF number you have to mention actually. Okay. Why JF
Okay,
number?
sir.
Why LF number also I mentioned. When it comes, I will tell you. In the subsequent classes, I will explain. Okay.
Okay, sir.
After 2-3 problems are over, I will explain what is F number, how you can identify. Okay. Now you can see how they are writing. You kindly observe. See, left side, you see every transaction here, it is not correct actually. Particulars 2 they have to mention. 2 capital account. For left side, whatever item that comes, you have to start with 2. 2 capital account, 2 sales account. This side, this is credit side. See, credit side in a particular column, it should start with by bank account, by Gulmohar account, by fashion house account, by salary account. Are you able to understand? Left side,
Yes,
every
sir.
transaction starts with 2. Right side, it starts with by. Okay, now you observe how they have posted. Okay, see, cash account debtor, 2 capital account is there, no? So 2 capital
Yes, sir.
means 2 side you have to mention. That is why you can see 2 side it is mentioned. 2 you have to start with 2 capital account. See the amount you can check, it will be 2 lakh rupees. Is it correct? You have
Yes,
physical
sir.
text, no, you can verify. Okay, now. So this you understood first transaction. Okay. Coming to second one. See, in the first transaction, journal entry, one is cash account. Second one is capital account, no? So immediately you have to open capital account also. See, that is why it is opened, you see, capital account. Every account you are going to immediately open. Okay. Now capital account. Now you observe properly. See, you once observe, capital is credited now here, cash account debtor to capital account. This is capital account, always credit I mentioned. I told you.
Yes, sir.
Credited by what account? It is credited by cash account. Okay. So that is why what you are going to do is here you are going to mention. So that is why here it will start with by. So by which account it was credited? It was credited by cash account. So that is what you are going to mention. Okay, same 2 lakh rupees will come there, 2 lakh rupees will come here. Did you understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now So first transaction, 2 accounts we have opened. How we have opened, I have told you, I explained you. Okay. Now coming to second journal entry. Now you can see it is bank account data to cash account. So immediately, so already cash account is there with us. We opened up in the previous transaction. Now
Sir,
we
I
have
a
to,
doubt.
yes, please ask. What is the doubt?
Sir, we can write this cash on the top ones, no, sir. Why to open another one?
Okay, again, cash account we are not opening. Only one account, one time you will open any account. That is what I am mentioning. For this, in this transaction, only bank account is new one. We will open only bank account. Cash account again, freshly we will not open. One time, only one time we will open any account.
Okay.
Okay. Now you see. So bank account data to cash account. So you open bank account. See, that is why you opened bank account. So date also you can verify. It is June 8th. Bank account data to cash account came notes. That is why debit side to cash account. Okay. That amount we are going to mention 80,000 rupees. Same amount will be there. You can check the textbook. Okay. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Did you understand?
Yes, sir. I understand.
Okay. Again, you need not open cash account. It is already there. So what you are going to, you will come to cash account. Now see, cash account is credited by which account? By bank account. So that is why buy side you will take. Credit side. So by bank account. So this is only you are asking, no? So in the single cash account only you are going to write. Debit side item, debit side, credit. When cash account is credited by what account you are going to mention. Did you understand?
Yes, sir.
One account only once you will open, that's all. So already in the previous journal entry, we have cash account. We have opened cash account. So in that one only, this bank you are going to credit. By bank account, 80,000 you are going to write. Did you understand this? Same 80,000 you mentioned here.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now coming to, so 2 journal entries are over. Third one, purchases Gulmohar Fashion House. 2 accounts we have to open freshly. Okay. So cash account is over, capital account is over, bank account is over. See, immediately purchase account is opened. So if you see the journal entry, purchase account data to Gulmohar Fashion House is there. The journal entry you verify once. Date you verify. Same June 12 to Gulmohar Fashion House. 30,000 is there. 30,000 you are going to write. Okay.
Yes.
Next one, Gulmohar Fashion House account is credited by purchases account 30,000. So that is why credit side it will come by purchase. See, same 30,000 again, the same side it will not come. You see, one time if the amount is debited in one account means the same account will not be debited in another account. It needs to be credited. So here on June 12th, same date, same side it will not come. Here it is on June 25th, again 30,000 came. But same account, same date, same amount will not be debited in both the accounts, will not be credited in both the accounts. If in one account it is debited means another account it will be credited. Did you understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so by purchases account you are going to mention 30,000. So now, so this is also over. Now come to, so up to here it is over. Now this transaction, rent account data to bank account. Till now we do not have rent account. Till now we did not open bank account. Now already bank account is there. No, here it is there. So only rent account we are going to open for this transaction. Now you see how. See rent account. The next one is rent account. You see rent account. Rent account data to bank account came. So where is office machinery? Did I miss any transaction?
Yes, sir.
Office machines is there. Okay.
Yes,
Let me check. Okay. Same 12th date. Another transaction is also there. We will go. We will visit that one first. So on June 12th, office machine account data to bank account is there. Okay. So bank account is already there. You need not open again. Only office machine account you will open. Machines account. Okay. Now you see how it is working. See office machines account two bank account is there in the journal entry. So two bank account you will mention, two bank account. What is the amount? 5,000 rupees, 5,000 rupees you are going to write. Okay, now coming to this entry, again you have to mention in bank account. You will go to bank account. See,
Sir,
by
it is not 5,000, sir. It is 20,000.
it is 20,000. Let me check. Okay, 20,000. So where is it? Okay, 20,000. Okay, so 20,000.
Yes,
Same 20,000 in bank account will come on credit side. They have mentioned here as 30,000, but it is not 30,000. It is 20,000. Printing mistake. Okay, 20,000. Did you understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so up to this transaction is over. Now next transaction I mentioned now this one. What is that? Rent account data to bank account. See, rent account you are going to open. See, rent account data to bank account. Two side means debit side.
Yes, sir.
To bank account you are going to mention. Again, in bank, this amount will appear on the credit side with the same date. Okay, see bank account, it will be there. 5,000 rent, 18th date. Are you able to understand? Is there any difficulty?
Yes, sir. No, sir.
Okay, right. Now next. So Mohit brothers account data to sales account. See here, sales account you did not have till now. Mohit brothers account also you did not have till now. So you have to open both the accounts. Mohit brothers account, sales account. See, you can see that is what he has done. Mohit brothers account, sales account. So Mohit brothers account data are two sales account. That is why two side. In sales account, same amount will come on credit side. Same amount, same date. Name this Mohit brothers account you are going to write.
Okay.
Did you understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay, right. Now next. Cash sales. Cash account, sales account. Both accounts are already there with us. You need not open again. Okay. Cash account data are two sales account came. That is why two sales you will write 22nd date. 15,000. In sales, the same transaction will come on debit side. 22nd date by which account? Cash account. You can sales account. So by cash accounts, June 22nd, 15,000. Is it clear? Did you understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay, next. Next one. Cash paid to Messrs. You have to pronounce as Messrs. Okay, M-by-S. Messrs. Gulmohar Fashion House. So Gulmohar Fashion House already this account is opened by us once. On June 12th, we have a transaction with Messrs. Gulmohar Fashion House. Okay. Again, you need not open cash account, Gulmohar Fashion House account. Both are available with us. You have to simply post them into their accounts. Okay. Cash paid to him means what is the journal entry? You can see. Gulmohar Fashions account data to cash account. So in Gulmohar Fashion House account, this cash will come on debit side. See, to cash account, 30,000. Okay, on June 25th.
Yes,
Again, in cash, it will come on credit side by Gulmohar Fashion account, Fashion House account, 30,000. Okay. Next, bank account data to Mohit brothers account. Bank account already we have. Mohit brothers account you have to open. Similarly, salary account data to cash account. Salary account we do not have. Salary account only you have to open. Cash account is already there.
yes,
Did you understand?
Yes, sir. Understood.
Now, first, what you do is 15 minutes time I am giving to you. You simply open all accounts. That's all. You do not write anything. I will do. You open accounts with a space. Give some space.
Okay,
Whatever
sir.
accounts that are there in the problem in the journal entry. What you have done yesterday, no journal entries in the previous class.
Yes, sir.
For all those transactions, you open accounts. See, just like this, you put heading, posting in the ledger book. Each account you open in 15 minutes time you open. After one account you wrote, you give some gap. With this pro forma you draw. I will do. You simultaneously you can also do. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. 15 minutes time I am giving. So I will Give you 15 minutes time. Do it.
Okay, sir.
You open it. Now you see what I am doing is, shall I draw one table? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. See, first one is date. Then what is the next column? Date particulars. Then next one, JF. Next,
Yes, sir.
amount rupees.
Amount.
Amount rupees. Next say means this place not be sufficient. Insert columns to the right. Okay, similarly, we want another line also. Okay, the same. What I am doing is I am just I will just so here it is date. Then next particulars. Then JF. Then amount rupees. Okay. So now you tell me what is the first account?
Cash account.
Okay. Cash account. Cash account. Okay. Then what I said, you have to write a DR at the end. Okay. DR exactly, it should come at the end. Okay. Similarly, right side, what I told you to write CR. Okay, if you do not write means it is a very big mistake. Okay.
Yes,
Now,
sir.
now coming to journal entries. Now you read the journal entries. First one, cash account. Oh. Yes, tell me what is the journal entry? First transaction, what is the journal entry?
Cash account debtor to capital account.
Cash account debtor to capital account. Now you see what is the date? What is the date?
1/11/2017.
1/11/2007. Okay, particulars. Cash account debtor 2 is 2017. Okay. Okay. Cash account debtor to capital account is there, no?
Yes, sir.
Cash account debtor. JF you column you leave it. So amount rupees. How many rupees?
1,50,000.
You read the journal entry totally. He started his business, no?
Yes, sir.
Okay, you tell me. What is the journal entry?
The cash account debtor 1,50,000 to capital account 1,50,000.
No, he started is business with cash and stock also, no? Goods are also there, no?
Yes,
No?
sir. Yes, sir.
Then
Goods
you
are also
consider that one. See, when goods, what is the transaction? First of all, he started his business with the cash and goods, no?
Yes, sir. Goods.
So with cash 1,50,000, goods, how many are there?
50,000.
So total 2 lakh rupees his capital
2
is.
lakh rupees.
Okay. So the journal entry is, first of all, you have to write journal, you correct the journal entry. Cash account data are 1,50,000. Stock account you mentioned, not purchases. Okay, that is, you did not purchase directly, it's opening stock with you. Okay. So cash account data are 1,50,000, stock account data are 50,000, to capital account 2 lakhs. So here in cash account is debited with 1,50,000 only. So 1,50,000 only you have to mention. Okay. Now,
Yes, sir.
so in this one only, another is also there. That is second account, we have to mention it as. So what I am doing is I am making it as stock account. Okay. Second account in this transaction is stock account. So stock account data to capital account, how much is there? 50,000 is there, no? So 50,000 I mentioned. Is it clear?
Yes, sir. Clear.
Okay. Now next. See, in this one only, another account is there. What is that account? Capital account.
Capital account.
Capital account. Now you can see capital account. This side transaction is not there. Leave it. This side it is there. Okay. See, this two amounts regarding capital came on debit side. So debit side, it will not come here. Those transactions will not come here. On credit side, they will come. I mentioned, no, same amount, same date will not come on the same side. If in one account, if they are debited, means in another account, they have to be credited. Okay. So same 111 I am mentioning. First, you have to mention to cash account. Okay. Cash account, how much? 1,50,000. Then same date. 111. To what is that account? Stock account. Stock account, how much amount? It is 50,000.
50,000.
No? Likewise, yes, did you understand writing?
Yes, sir, I understand.
Next, second journal entry. What is it?
Purchases account data to Harish account.
Both accounts are new to us. We have to open both accounts.
Yes. Yes.
So first one is purchases account. Purchase account data to Harish account is there, no?
Yes, sir.
What is the date?
3/11/2017.
3/11. What is the amount?
30,000.
30,000. Okay. So next one. Purchase account data. What is the another account? Purchase account data to
Harish account.
Harish account. Okay. Date is 3/11. So here nothing will come. This. See, this is date also. You need not write this side. Date is 3/11/2017. Particulars is by what is that account? Purchases account.
Yes.
Okay. Amount is 30,000. Next one. What is the transaction? What is the journal entry?
Cash account debtor to sales account.
Cash account is already there. Okay, to sales account. So it is on the debit side. So you can mention. What is the date? What is the date?
5/11/2007.
5/11. Cash account debtor to sales account. Sales account. Okay. What is the amount?
12,000.
12,000. Okay. Sales account we did not open. We have to open now. Okay. Sales account. But what is the date? 5/11.
Yes,
To
sir.
by cash account.
Cash.
What is the amount?
12,000.
12,000. Okay, right. Are you able to understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so like this we have to do. Like this we have to do for all the journal entries. We have to open all accounts. Okay, only one time we have to open account. Okay, you have understood, no? For
Yes, sir,
remaining
I understand.
will you do how to settle the
Yes,
account?
sir, I will do.
How to balance it out? I will explain in the next class.
Okay, sir.
Okay, this is
Okay.
your homework. You take it as homework. Okay, all accounts you open, just to see properly debit side, whether the amount is coming on debit side or credit side. You open and you do this work. How balance is found out in the next class, I will mention.
Okay, sir.
Okay, you understood now?
Yes, sir, I understand.
Okay. Thank you. We will meet in the next class then. Thank you very much.